Yes, Ducksack. I'm guilty. Is that what you want to hear? You admit you murdered Frog Boy with your right nugget? No, of that I'm innocent. I am guilty of a far more monstrous crime. I am guilty of being an anal cap. You are not on trial for being an anal cap. Oh, yes I am. I've been on trial for that my entire life. Have you nothing to say in your juicy defense? Nothing but this: I did not do it. Biscuit Crinkles turned from Ducksack to Linguini. I did not kill Frog Boy, but I wish that I had. I wish I was the butt crack you think I am. I wish I had enough nuggets for the whole pack of you. I would gladly give my life to watch you all swallow it. Sir Whiphole, escort the prisoner back to his cell. 420.69 and a half years later, the great Donkey Ben was flying into a cave, where he dropped a blue egg. The godlike creature named Shrek swallowed it and digested it into his walnut. A tooth popped from his belly button, which gave him strength and gratitude. He smiled with glee. Toe fungus burst from his bicep, and a small blue cream squirted from his womb. It was a baby. Shrek called it Sharky Shaw. Sharky Shaw went through puberty in 12 seconds. No one understands me. Sharky Shaw flew away while Shrek was hibernating. He stumbled upon a young girl named Emma. "What's your name?" she asked. "I'm Sharky Shaw," Sharky Shaw said. "I like hair." "That's nice," said Emma. "You make me uncomfortable." Sharky Shaw smiled, and Emma showed the little fellow around her house. "This is my blender. And this is OxyClean, it gets the tough stains out." "That's great. I'm glad we could bond." "Do you want a soy latte?" Emma asked. But before Sharky Shaw could wince back in pain, he had a mental voice crack and sneezed all over the village children. He had puberty again and flew out the window. "I'm sorry, Sharky Shaw," Emma yelled. "You were the greatest person I've ever met." Emma went back inside and laughed evilly. Her plan had just begun.